Hey everybody, Right Polo Tech here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to assemble the Snowplow 30-inch snow pusher. Now, these are available in sizes from 24 inches, 30 inches, 36 inches, and 48 inches. These are made in America, and I'll put links in the description so you guys can check them out for yourself. All right, let's get down to it. So here's what you get when you open the box. You get the blade, you get a bracket to hold the blade to the handle, you get a handle, you get a clip that you can mount on the wall for storage, you get a little hardware pack that has self-tapping screws, bolts, and nuts, and then you get some instructions. We don't need no stinking instructions. That's why we're watching this video, right? Right. These are the tools that I'm going to use to put it together. I've got a cordless screwdriver, I've got a number 2 Phillips screwdriver bit, I've got a 7/16 socket bit, and then I've got a 7/16 opened and closed end wrench. The blade comes with 5 holes already drilled in it for the bolts. You got 4 across the middle here, and then you got 1 in the back here. And then the bracket has the same 5 holes. These 4 and 1 in the back here. So the curved part of the bracket here goes on the back of the curved part of the blade, like this. Then I'm going to take one of the bolts and I'm going to slide it through the hole and through the bracket back here like that. Then I'm going to go ahead and just hand tighten, not all the way, just down as far as I can with my hands here, like that, just to kind of hold it in place, and it also helps you line up the rest of the holes. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the exact same thing and put the next 4 bolts in. After all 5 of the bolts are in there, I'm going to tighten them down. On the back side, I'm going to use the closed end wrench, put it on the nut, and then I'm going to take my cordless screwdriver, just tighten them down. Move to the next one, do the same thing. Once you get all those tightened down, you're going to take the blade and you're going to flip it over like this, and you're going to put the handle into it. You want to make sure that the bottom's all the way out in there. And if you keep it square on the table like this, and you on the other end, you want to make sure that the handle is square on the table at that end as well. That way you know it's straight and even with this front end and the back end. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to take your Phillips screwdriver bit and your self-tapping screw, and put it in. And then you got 2 more. And they go on these little dimples here on the back of it. The last thing I want to show you is how to mount the clip. Now, I'm using 2.5-inch screws, and I'm going to try to find a stud, but if you can't find a stud, you might want to use something like toggles instead. If you use a normal drywall anchor, it'll probably pull right out because you're going to be pushing it in onto that clip and you're going to be pulling it off. So I would use something like a toggle instead of a normal drywall anchor, but I'm going to try to put it directly into a stud if I can. So the first thing that I want to do is grab the pusher here and measure an area here, roughly, make sure it's going to fit where I want to put it. And then I'm just going to kind of do a little mark on my wall here. That way I can see if I can get close to that with a stud. And if I can't, then I will get a toggle. So that's pretty close to where the center of the stud would be. And my mark is right here. So I'm only about this far off. I think that'll be okay. Then I'm going to grab my cordless screwdriver, put it in the top hole here on the mark that I made. Put the second one in. Now let's see how we did. so not bad, I'll take it. And it's a nice convenient place to grab it and run out the garage door and start shoveling snow. Now I apologize, I don't have a lot of snow here to work with, but you get an idea at least. So yeah, I'm really impressed with it. I like it a lot. All right, and that's what it looks like after I got done here. I'm pretty happy with it. Alright, so that's all it takes to assemble this snow pusher. If you guys like this video, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Also hit that like button for me. Subscribe to the channel, I'd really appreciate it. Click that little bell notification so you get notified when I put out new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.